Do you know that every time you skip the gym, your penis is skipping it too? Study shows that for every 2-point increase in your exercise intensity, your blood vessel get 1% more at producing better erection, nitric oxide. So when you're on the treadmill or in the gym, you're just not training your heart, you're also training your penis. So let's dive into this episode as to how exercise helps with your erection. I'm Dr. Truong. I'm a sexual health medical doctor. I have treated over 7,000 men with ED. Now, exercise, I know it sounds kind of boring, but it's not the heavy duty exercise at all. It's actually exercises that you don't have to exert yourself too much. It's just moderate exercise. And I'm talking about exercise that only need about 150 minutes a week or about approximately 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. And it's moderate level. So the level where you can walk at a fast pace where you have a hard time counting from 1 to 10. That's it. You can either walk or jog, go up and down the stairs, or use weights. But it's moderate exercise between MET of 3 to 6. Now, how does exercise help with taking your penis to the gym? Number one, exercise increase your nitric oxide production in your blood vessel and also in your penis muscle, because nitric oxide help with erection and increasing blood flow. The more nitric oxide you have, the more blood flow flows into the penis. The firmer the penis gets, the more function that it becomes. Number two, nitric oxide increases your heart capacity to pump out more blood. It's called ejection efficiency. So your heart becomes healthier to pump out more blood that you need to fill the erection. Number three, exercise decrease inflammation. Now, what is inflammation? Imagine inflammation as like fire that is in your body that created imbalance. And when you have inflammation, it decreases blood flow. It affects the integrity of the blood vessel. The bottom line is inflammation, decreased blood flow, and it affects your erection to make the erection weak. That's what inflammation does. But exercises reverses inflammation. Number four, exercise, like moderate level that I talk about, actually increase your testosterone level. So your testosterone level may be low, but if you exercise, you can actually see doubling of your testosterone level within about 3 months with consistent exercise of at least 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. And if you add weight to the exercise, it will actually be more beneficial as well. When I say weight, do like high intensity interval exercise where you do an exercise for a minute, rest for about 20 seconds, do another minute again, and you do that for about 15 minutes. It's very, very efficient. You can do that on a treadmill. You can do that up and down the stairs. You can do that with kettlebell. So number five, exercises also decreases your risk of having heart attack. Well, when you have a heart attack, it lends itself to decreased blood flow, which then lends itself to ED. So men that have heart issues tend to have ED as well, because the heart and the penis goes along with each other, because decreased blood flow shows up in the penis first, and then it will show in the heart, because the blood vessel of the penis is a lot smaller than the blood vessel in the heart. So having ED is actually a warning sign for you to start fixing your risk factors before you start having heart issues. So the bottom line is that exercises at moderate intensity will actually be more beneficial for your erection, even more than even Viagra. There was a recent study that shows that exercising 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week is more effective than Viagra, a head-to-head study. But we don't hear a lot about that because we're always thinking about the easy button, taking a pill and getting the result. But your sex life can actually be optimized or even reversed by just doing the basic stuff. And today, in the Taking Your Penis to the Gym series, we're focusing on exercise and how it helps exercise your penis to have better function. Last week, I talked about using the penis pump as a form of exercising for your penis, taking your penis to the gym. So we're going to talk about different components that will actually exercise your penis for better functioning again. And again, exercise, I know it sounds mundane, sometimes it sounds kind of boring, but the benefits of exercise, I cannot stress enough. Make it a routine in your life. Make it like appointment in your day so you don't miss it, and add it in at least 3 times a week, 4 times a week if you can. My husband and I exercise 5 times a week, and we do about an hour at a time. I do 30 minutes of cardio, 30 minutes of weights, and he does more of 40 minutes of weights and about 20 minutes of cardio. All you need is about an hour. We do an hour at a time. We're in and out. And we just use the neighborhood gym that costs us $25 a month for a membership. Now, you got to make it a priority, because if your sex life is important and you want to have it function again, you've got to put in the effort. Now, exercise has multiple benefits. The main benefit is that it increases blood flow. And so that way the blood flow to the penis for better and firmer erection. So you can do it tomorrow. All you have to do is go out, take a walk, exert yourself, so that way your heart rate increases to a point where it's hard for you to count 1 to 10. That's it. You don't need an Apple Watch. You don't need a heart rate monitor. You can just use that as your gauge. All right? So bottom line, exercise will help with your erection. If you have ED, consider using the exercise. The last time I talked about using the penis pump as taking your penis to the gym. Stay tuned for our next video. I'll talk about part 3 out of 4 parts for taking your penis to the gym. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It would mean the world to me if you subscribe and put notification and share the channel with somebody that you think may benefit from this. My goal is to make a sexual health information accessible for men. There's a lot of misinformation out there. We want to deliver the research-proven information for you that actually work at reversing ED. And don't forget to check out our Modern Man Club. Is a safe and discreet space where we support one another. You get to work with me in a group setting to help build a roadmap for you to regain your sexual performance again. Check out the Modern Man Club at noedman.com, or check the link down below as well. And just know, you should not suffer in silence. There are alternatives to get out of ED. So hang in there and follow our channel. Okay, Modern Man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection.